how to fix Steam game icons missing. So first, just exit out of Steam. So let's say this icon is missing. So just simply right click on it, then click on properties, then click on change icon. Now click on browse. Now once you're here, you just need to go to program files, 86, then to Steam, then Steam again, then to games. So I'm just gonna simply show you. So I'm on my main drive, and go to program files 86, then scroll down till you see Steam, scroll down again till you see Steam, and once you're there, just go to games, and that should be there. So your game should be there, and click on that and just click on open. Now click on OK, click on apply, and click on OK. So if that doesn't work for you, just simply go to Steam. So let's say I want to add Dota and the file are missing, so just simply click on properties, then click on installed files, and make sure to verify integrity of game files, and just once that's done, just do the same process again that on what we did with this icon. But if it still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is just open up your browser, and you can go to this site called icons.com, where you can download some icons that you want. Or there are tons of icons or different icons right here. And let's say I want this icon, so just simply download the ICO file of it. So download it. Now once it's done, just simply download. So I'm just going to download it right here, so it should start automatically. As you can see, I have mine right here. I'm going to put it to downloads, and let's say I want to add a Dota 2 icon, so I'm just going to open up my Steam, and I'm just going to add desktop shortcut. And as you can see, I don't have Steam icon or Dota 2 icon. I'm just going to right click, properties, change icon, and I'm just going to pick the icon that we downloaded it earlier. So this is the Dota 2. Click on open, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. As you can see, I have now my new icon right there. And yes, I basically fixed Steam game icons missing.